Hello everyone, I am Sumati. Today I am explaining about applications of defensive countermeasures. In that one, defensive countermeasures applications can range from compact individual levels measures to large scale and native level strategies depends on the specific threats being addressed and the resources available. Here are a few examples of different types of defensive countermeasures and their potential applications. First one is personal protective equipments, and second one is cybersecurity measures, and third one is border security measures, and fourth one is public health measures. Lower power infrared countermeasures to higher power. In this one, infrared countermeasures are designed to protect the aircraft and the other vehicles from being detected and tracked by heat-seeking missiles. There are several types of IRCM, include flares, decals, and laser-based system. Lower power, Low power IRCM system typically use infrared flares and decals which emits a small amount of heat to confuse a missile guidance system. These systems are effective against low power missiles but may be sufficient against high power missiles. High power IRCM system typically use laser-based system such as the direct infrared countermeasures. It is also called as DIRCM to protect against high-power missiles. Direct infrared countermeasures system use a laser to direct a beam of energy at the missile seeker head, causing it to miss its target. There are also hybrid systems too that combine both low power infrared countermeasures technologies to provide a layered defense against high-seeking missiles. This system typically use flares and decals are the first lines of defense and then use laser-based system to engage and any missiles that makes it pass initial countermeasures. Overall, we can say that the choice of IRCM system depends on the specific threat environment and the capability of the aircraft or vehicle being protected. Low power system may be sufficient for some situations while high power system may be necessary in others. And we can say that air airborne laser system. Airborne laser system IBL use a high energy oxygen chemical oxygen loading on a modified Boeing 747 to 400 aircraft to detect, track, and destroy any class of ballistic missiles in their boost stages of flights. The airborne system was a part of Boeing's integrated defense system division. Next is IR countermeasure system use laser to confuse the seeker heads on infrared homing missiles. That is correct because infrared countermeasure system can use laser to confuse the seeker heads on infrared homing missiles. These systems work by emitting a laser beam that is one half a similar wavelength to the infrared radiation emitted by the aircraft engines. That missile seeker head will be then track the laser beam instead of the actual aircraft, causing the actual aircraft the missiles miss its intended target. There are several types of infrared countermeasure system that use laser, including directed infrared countermeasures. This is also known as the DIRCM and infrared decoying flares. Infrared Infrared IR countermeasures system use a laser to direct a beam of energy towards the missile's distracting in its guidance system and causing it to miss its target. Infrared flares, on the other hand, release a cloud of hot material that minimize the heat signature of the aircraft engines, drawing the missiles away from the aircraft. Overall, the use of lasers is IR countermeasure system has proven to be an effective way to protect aircraft from infrared homing missiles. Thank you.